A short yet profoundly impactful video clip featuring Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga has ignited a political firestorm within Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF party, laying bare deep-seated divisions. The retired general's carefully chosen words delivered this month served as a direct, albeit coded, admonition to President Emmerson Mnangagwa's loyalists. These factions are aggressively championing Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, a legislative maneuver designed to prolong the presidency tenure until 2030. Zanabina Mashkobani Wachinzi, General Chiwenga's coded warning. The secret military alliance is set to block Mnangagwa's 2030 agenda. The skeptic goes to parliament. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina Mnamobe Incomchinzi. While the state-controlled media outlets have attempted to dismiss Chiwenga's address as mere patriotic rhetoric, an in-depth investigation drawing on insights from military intelligence and political analysts reveals a far more intricate narrative. This article will expose a clandestine military alliance mobilizing behind the scenes. Critics, including opposition parties, civil society organizations, and constitutional experts, contend that such profound reforms necessitate public consent through a national referendum. However, ZANU-PF in parliament maintain that a referendum is not required, asserting that the amendments can be enacted through the existing parliamentary process. Justice Zambi also, ZANU-PF's legal secretary, has publicly stated that the parliamentary vote on Cap 3 will be conducted via a show of hands. He argues that this open voting process promotes transparency and accountability among elected representatives. Addressing a ZANU-PF provincial coordinating committee meeting in Chinhoyi, Zambi dismissed calls for a secret ballot, claiming it would make MPs susceptible to bribery. He controversially advised party supporters to accept money from political opponents but to remain loyal to ZANU-PF. Zambi commended Mashonaland West Province for its exceptional mobilization efforts in support of the proposed constitutional amendment, noting their high participation levels during constitutional and written submissions. Toma developments are good upon PANECHAMISA medu za fungra ili moto kulipa msuru pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.